that if the trumpet give an uncertain sound, he said, who shall prepare himself to the battle? You know, this Bible is very loaded. This one was very loaded. First is that, it gave us the alarm indication. We are in this building now. There is the net here that when fire bursts out, it is not going to be. And if we are here and the alarm is beeping and we cannot decipher, what that alarm meant or mean before help will come, we will take it down. If there is a situation here and there is an outbreak of crankite, everybody fall down, want to call in the ambulance or something. So we couldn't, call. So, and there's nobody to help. That shows that in that situation, we are handicapped. Bible says, for if the trumpet gives an uncertain sound, that shows that, for a kingdom warrior, there is a way whereby your eardrum is tuned, to decode and to identify, each sound that will propel you or prepare you for a battle at any specific time in your living days. So if you don't understand the tone, of the sound of war, you might be dancing whereas that house is on fire. You might be jubilating, you might be rejoicing and making money, but that house that you ought to keep properly might be in catastrophe. The reason is that the trumpet has sounded, but you cannot decode, decipher or discern, the sound of that trumpet. Now you say, God, why me? God is not the problem, because why? God has blown the trumpet. The indication has been revealed, but it is you that have not come into that understanding to begin to discern what is happening per time, per season in your life. He says that, who shall? That word who is not thing. He's talking about human being. He said, who shall prepare himself for battle? Amen, somebody. So I want to define, who is a kingdom warrior. I wrote it in a very long epistle, but please just hear with me. I said a kingdom warrior